Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Monday morning, November 11th. Taking a look at the forecast charts this morning, we see a high-pressure ridge continuing across the west with basically the flow driving any storms up into Canada and then dropping down into the upper Midwest. So we should remain fairly dry today. Daytime highs generally running in the 40s, maybe to 50 degrees here within the Snake River Plain, and generally in the 40s in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. Looks like we do get some activity breaking over the top of the ridge here early Wednesday morning, bringing us some fairly decent winds here. Certainly some precipitation up along the Montana-Wyoming border regions as we work into Wednesday morning. Daytime highs will warm some, generally in the 50s here in the upper Snake River Plain, almost to 60 degrees down here in Burley, and certainly mid-40s to lower 50-degree readings in the Central Mountains and Southeast Highlands. That ridge pattern continues to break down as we work our way through the week. Here we are looking at Friday afternoon with another storm system pushing in across to our north. But this will signal the beginning of a series of waves coming through that will really beat this ridge down. The precipitation associated with that Friday afternoon looks like the leading edge up into the Central Mountains. By Sunday, pretty strong storm pattern breaking in over the top of this really shallow ridge with quite a bit more precipitation, particularly through Seattle area, the northern portion of Idaho, and into the central Idaho mountains. We may even see some light precipitation down here into the Snake River Plain and southern highlands by Sunday, and certainly increasing by Monday. Here we are looking at the highs on Sunday, generally in the mid-40s, maybe even to the lower 50s down here near Burley, and certainly in the 40s throughout the central mountains and southeast highlands. And as I promised here on Monday, the models are at least late Monday. This is 11 p.m. We had some other models indicating maybe a little earlier, like late Monday afternoon. This next storm system working in through Washington and Oregon with associated precipitation spreading throughout southeast Idaho. So we are looking at an increasing chance of precipitation as we work into the weekend and early next week, and at least a change in what we've seen over the recent days. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please give us a call here at the number on the screen. Thank you.